and welcome to the vlog, or welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. It's your girl Q, and today is the first official day in Bali, so we're heading down to breakfast. I'm like 15 minutes late, but breakfast is essentially supposed to be at 7:45, and then we're gonna get picked up to do all of our excursions and activities at 8:30. So let's go ahead and go downstairs. The outfit is tea. This is the outfit. You guys can't really see because I have so much stuff, but it's just this little jumper. I have on this bikini top. I have on bikini bottoms, and I also have a cover up because we're going to the waterfall. First, we're going to a temple where you have to be covered, like your shoulders have to be covered. So thought this was cute. Yeah, so let's go. It is officially day one in Bali. Let's go see the girls. Hi. Okay, so first breakfast, they have ice water, apple juice, orange juice, guava juice, watermelon juice. Okay, I need to get a plate. Okay, we have rice. Where's breakfast food? Carrots, mushrooms, roasted chicken, chicken sausage. Trying to find the breakfast food. What is this? Okay, there's an omelet. Let's get that. What's this? Waffles. Excuse me, we just had breakfast and we have to go, but I'm gonna run and get my tote bags so we can get some content with the tote bags that I got them as their goodie bags. I feel like every time I vlog, I'm out of breath, I'm talking fast, I'm running, but very excited. So one of the reasons I got black and white is because I knew it would go with everyone's outfit. So just put this in here. Charger, room key. What else did I need? I'm gonna bring some perfume. I'm just a girl. This is the first time I'm seeing that camera all trip.
And also, after you change your dress, I will tell you how you do
Oh wow.
Just stay the
No, I'll stay out here.
Yeah, I think you go out here. Still have to cover your shoulder.
Okay, so if you're on your cycle, you can't go into the temple. So we're not in the temple. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Eat.
So our taban will be in the car. So if you would like to stay in the car is in the on condition.
Okay. Thank you.
And there is like a shop inside there.
Okay, let's go explore.
Yeah. See you guys.
Turta and pool. Okay, y'all. So we are going to the shops. I feel like an unwanted child.
No, literally.
Because we can't go in the temple. It's our tour guide. He's getting something. Maybe he's getting us some snacks. I don't know. Oh, he got a lighter? Okay. Hi. What kind of fruit is this? Oh, that makes, oh, wait. Yes. But how do you guys try it? Yeah. More sweet?
Yeah.
Could I have the sweeter one?
Yeah.
I'll do that too then.
Two?
The yellow, yes, please. Thank you. Mango. I just tried to use the bathroom and there was no toilet paper. So we asked someone if we can get a napkin. They were like, tissue? And they tried to sell me the tissue. So we're gonna go to a different bathroom. Unbelievable. We are driving into lunch. This is so pretty.
$5.
Woo!
know, I do my little.
Yeah. It's hot, huh? Who? Hi. He's so cute.
So he owned by one of the local here. Because sometimes like a week. And then she's about to go to DC for a wedding. So my other
Down into lunch. This would be so pretty at night. Y'all, look at this. This is gorgeous. Bali is so nice. Not Marley.
No, I didn't toughen her up. When she was little, I've never.
Hi. Okay. All right, Trover Trip. You might have ate that one little thing. Are you kidding? Okay, so we booked out the whole restaurant.
Why we keep doing it?
Look at this view. Oh my God. Crispy duck, drinks.
Baby. Drop them in some
Time to eat.
I see what you're saying. I see what you're being there. I see what you're doing there. It's like there was something greater in store. Like no.
Okay, y'all. We are at the waterfall.
You said we can put our stuff in a locker or no?
yeah, there will be like a
Campo or Campo waterfall. Ooh, we just have to change.
look after your belongings.
Ooh. Where's Koi? Look at these trees. Okay, it's time to change. Yep. Oh, my little foot hurt.
There's no accessibility for this. This is an ADA claim waiting to happen.
No, really.
Jeez. I know my labor laws here. For so long, one walk, she's down there.
Coconuts, fried rice, ticket counter. Whew, lots of walking.
Right?
But it's not that bad. Just rush until the
These are steep, y'all. Be careful. One step at a time. Okay, there's a restaurant down here. Wow, look at this. Whew. Look at this. Yes. I'm loving it. Going down. He's trying to record. I'm trying to put my life. He's talking about no baby slide. Thank you. Hey guys, we just made it back from the waterfall and I'm drained. Okay, we're about to shower. All of us are gonna shower, take a nap, and then figure out when we're gonna go out tonight. So guess we'll just keep the vlog going later. Clearly I am back in the hotel room and today was a time. Okay, we had so much fun. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna oil my scalp, put this in a bun, take a shower, and get in the bed. Ciao, I'm pooped. As you guys saw, we started off at the Turta and Pool, hopefully I'm saying that correctly, Turta and Pool Water Temple. Why is this, does it have a sticker? Does it have a sticker? Now with the temple, if you're on your period, you can't go inside. Oh crap. I need to go to sleep. Oh my gosh, why would I open it that wide? That's how you know I'm sleepy. Like, I'm just tired, okay? But the temple is holy, and that is where they give blessings and stuff. So if a woman is bleeding, she's not allowed to go into the temple. That's why me and Kay just walked around and went to the shops. And then we went to lunch. And lunch, y'all, the view, the vibes, fire. Everything was amazing. There for quite a while. And then we went to the waterfall. Now, Hi. Thank you. No problem. Just a couple ants. Yeah. Yeah. Some ants are my door, so they're taking care of that for me. This feels so good. Ooh. Another way your body up. Your body up. So yeah, we went to the waterfall, which there are 100 stairs. So going down, it was a little scary. And then coming up, oh, that took me out. That took me clean out, okay? So, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm actually gonna braid this down because I just feel like it's easier to maintain. Did you hear the roosters? Okay. Whew. I really don't feel like braiding this down, but I know I'm getting into bed, so I need to braid this. So let's hurry up.
Okay, I'm done anyway.
Thank you. Okay. Y'all, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I'm sleeping. I just want to go to sleep. Okay. I'm gonna braid this down. And honestly, it's like 6 o'clock. So I don't know what time we're gonna go out tonight. Tonight is a free night, which basically just means that I don't have anything on the itinerary for tonight. So dinner's on us, and you know, whatever we wanna do, we can just go out and do that. We may go to where we went last night because there were a whole bunch of like restaurants, little bars. Like, it was very cute, very, very cute. So we may go do that or find something on TikTok and just like go out and immerse ourselves in Bali. That is the plan for the rest of the day. I'm gonna take a nap. I'm going to take a shower. Then I'm gonna take a nap. Then we're probably going to find something to eat and just relax and kind of hang out for the rest of the night. I have to figure out what color they're wearing and see if I have that color. Because like I said, tonight's a free night, so if it's not on the itinerary, then we don't have like matching colors to wear. So that's really it. I don't know if I'm gonna end the vlog here. If I do, thank you so much for watching. We are having such a blast. It's just a lot of traffic, a lot of walking, but I absolutely love Bali. I don't know if it's just me, but I'm a slow paced kind of girl. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I can live on a farm, I could live on an island, I could live pretty much anywhere as long as it's peaceful and the people are kind. So I like Bali. It makes you really rethink staying in America, but that's a different topic for a different day. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Stay tuned for more Bali content because we have a whole week and then we're going to Singapore. So ciao, we outside. Thank you for watching. Later.